your boy Ghost in the 5'7", back with another video. And with this video, do I really have to say it? We're going to the range again. But this time we are taking the AP and the 5'7". Yeah, we taking the AP and the 5'7" to the range. Last time I took the Glock and the 5'7", so this time I want to take both chopsticks to the range. Right now I'm gonna go to one of my dog's crib. No, this is not Rod's crib. This is one of my other dog's crib. But we is gonna pick up Rod later, so we can go to the range. And then, yeah. So I'm gonna pick y'all up once I get with my dog, or either when I'm with Rod. I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I'm with one of my dogs. So YouTube, we got Rod in the whip. We about to go to the gun store. Like I said earlier, we got the AR-15 and the Rock 5'7". So we for the, you know, pew some shit up real quick. I need to get some practice in. That's why I'm taking the AR too. I want to get better with the AR on my shots, and then that's it. We're gonna be out for the day. Y'all gonna get some more footage of me shooting. I know I got a lot. I've been uploading a lot of gun videos because the car is fucked up. So that's what I'm gonna have to upload it till the car get back. So y'all gonna get gun videos for a little minute. But I'm gonna pick y'all up once we get to the gun store. So YouTube, we finally at the gun range. I got the AP. Matter of fact, I gotta put everything out, but I got all the clips filled up with 5-shot. I'm gonna take 5-shot to see where the scope and stuff at. Yeah, take the AP and stuff out. Yeah, this shit windy. Where the scope at and stuff, so I can zero it in and stuff like that. And then we got the 5'7". I bought a box of 50, so I'm gonna do shots with that so I can get my accuracy right on that and adjust the laser and stuff. I'm gonna pick y'all up once we start shooting. 5-shot to see where everything at. Let's see where he landed at. So the first shot I shot was right here. The second one I moved it over. That was this one. The third one I was right here. The fourth one, that was this. And the fifth I was on this line and hit right there. So that means I got to push it down and over some. I'm gonna roll it back out and try it again.
That's a 4-piece
combo. So now I got to make it go down some since I know where it's at.
Y'all want to see what type of sight? Alright, y'all look at that.
This is a little cheap Amazon site too. That shit all the way up. That shit getting right now. So I'm gonna load up 5 more. see what I hit at. And mind y'all, I'm not changing while I'm aiming. I'm aiming at this the whole time. We're gonna roll it back out. Now they over here. I'm gonna roll it back out again, do another 5. I'm gonna end it down, so.
Safety. Start point that
Right here, right here.
And no rapid fire. One shot every 3 seconds.
What you got against the 9,
I
gang?
had all right here.
What you got against the 9, gang? Like, you fucking them up right now.
That bit. I bet this time that bit all being green.
Alright, let's see you finish the clip then.
Roll it in. Roll out. I see what they hit at. You see the grouping on that motherfucker though. Damn, that be hard. What I mean by roll it in. Yes, sir. Roll it back out.
That shit hot.
There you go.
Now, the most important thing when you talk about revolvers is direction.
Roll it in now.
If you only have just one bullet, it's going to lock you in. What would you lock me in at? the chain. You only got one. I put it in at 12 o'clock. Let's put it now. And behind the hammer is 12 o'clock. When I put it in there, click. Oh! I didn't realize it was in the wrong location. So that means that I got one. At 1 o'clock.
Oh, here we right now. So the last one was just right here. I adjusted it from right here to over here. I don't know what the fuck it is. Nah. So now we're gonna shoot the FN.
What's going to happen is it's going to rotate.
I said the FN, the 5.7.
And 1 o'clock,
This
and rotate
shit,
to 12 o'clock. 1 o'clock, so it can rotate.
Go ahead.
When I say rotate, that's why I lock it in. If I lock it in at the switch, it can set.
So y'all, we had a malfunction, but we cleared it. But I'm gonna let Rod shoot real quick. You had loaded the rock?
Yeah, just knock that bitch back.
Alright, go ahead, you go shoot. That boy wanted to shoot this bitch for the longest. That boy hitting shit. Y'all can't see from right here, but he hit that motherfucker. No bullet so
I did
little.
this one and this one.
And
This
then,
was the first shot. That was the first shot off. So
Look
y'all
at
wanna
you,
come
little.
play? Y'all wanna come play at me? Play at your own risk. Alright, go ahead.
I see what it is with this one. The reason was because we're just letting it flip. But you got to really hold it.
That's what I was doing. I held it. I'm like, okay, I feel that pressure. Oh yeah, we forgot to show y'all. This the paper from Land's doing.
They ain't going to be able to see it.
Y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. Let me bring that bitch
We got to zoom it back out. We got to be all the way in.
Y'all see that?
Keep it zoomed all the way out. That bit ain't up.
Mainly in the green.
But go ahead. So I'm gonna dump the AP after this, then we out. Put it out to the 7. That should be good right there. Go ahead, okay? Use the laser.
I want to see you throw it up. This thing.
That's it.
Oh yeah. Look at the front end of your shit.
Yeah, that's what happened. Y'all, this how it really be. That shit got my ears open wide.
Y'all see that? Y'all can't even tell what bullets these is, man.
Those bitches like twins, gang. They all got no more 2 years. Those bitches like twins. I think I got what?
In the real sight. You're not in the sight.
Like, look at these hoes. Literally twins.
The big brother and the little sister.
First grade. And I turned the target.
See, I would shoot these, but these are expensive bullets.
Hell no.
Now I got my front sight.
But y'all, that's it for that. The rain.
Not too bad.
We could look, go out there, look at some firearms.
On that front sight. And the set of that car.
So y'all, I thought it wasn't no difference from the Gen 5 to the Gen 3. This is a Gen 3, this is a Gen 5. Just by looking at it, the slot different. This right here different. It don't got both sides for the slot release. I did not know that. And it, by the weight, you could tell the 5 is way lighter. I got to get a Gen 5. Pick them up and fill a week.
I'm picking them up.
Bro, just pick it up.
I like that one better.
Bro, just,
Don't get that.
I'm not getting this one just by the slide. This slide looks better.
Which one better? That one better. That's ass.
And then if you look at the back, this one got a notch right here.
That one don't.
And this one don't. That's why they like these. They be putting stickers on those. And then the finish right here different. But I'm gonna get a Gen 5.